Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Noelia. I talk about all things curly, beauty, and lifestyle. So for today's video, this is actually the first video of my new segment that I'm starting on Fridays. I'm gonna call it my Friday favorites, which every Friday I'm gonna post a video on some of my new favorite products or some of my current favorite products. It could be skincare, food, hair, anything that is one of my favorites at the moment. I will share them with you guys in these videos, which I'm super excited about. So for my first Friday favorites video, I'm gonna post one of my most asked questions, which you guys know I am so obsessed with gels. I'm gonna share with you guys my top 4 gels at the moment. I know 4 is a super random number. I wanted to do a top 5, but the 5th one I actually don't have with me at the moment. I actually ran out. So what I'm going to do is actually make a video of it on its own. But yeah, so for today's video, I'm going to share with you guys my top 4 gels at the moment that I need in my stash at all times. So if you guys are interested in watching and learning what my favorite gels are, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the alerts so you know when I post my next video, and I will throw down my social handles so you guys can follow me on there as well, and keep on watching. Alright, so welcome to my first Friday favorites video. I'm excited. I've been wanting to do kind of a segment-y type of thing to hold me accountable to post a lot. So Friday favorites are going to be my fave because I'm going to be able to post about anything. So I know you guys are probably not as excited as me about my Friday favorites, but I'm going to go ahead and start sharing with you guys my top 4 gels. These are in no particular order right now because I kind of just have them all over the place. Alright, so I figured I would start with my oldie but a goodie, and it will forever be one of my faves no matter what anybody says. Because a lot of people have a lot to say about this product. But this product has never done me wrong and has always been one of my go-tos. So, that being said, one of my faves is my Ecostyler Olive Oil Gel. We've been best friends since I could remember. I love this thing. But yeah, so I actually started by using the argan oil one, which I also love. I actually think I have that with me, but I'm not gonna make that a whole fave. The Ecostyler line, I have yet to try one of the Ecostyler gels that I don't like. So for being my favorite, it's definitely the olive oil and the argan oil one. If you are looking for super hold, no matter what you're doing, if you're gonna slick your hair back, leave your hair out, guys, this gel has not failed me. You guys always ask me, like, how do you get so much definition? It's the gels that I use. Yes, the moisturizing products underneath the gel definitely help, but when I'm telling you guys, I love this thing, I could marry it. So not only is it amazing in my hair and amazing in so many other people's hair, it is hella affordable, guys. So affordable. This giant one has 80 fluid ounces. And of course you guys are probably wondering why the heck I have this massive one and not a regular sized one. I don't know. I couldn't tell you. I really couldn't tell you. I don't know where the other ones are, but yes. So this 80 fluid ounce bottle, I want to say cost me under $15. Definitely under $15. And imagine 80 fluid ounces. I don't even know how many times I've used this. I don't think I've used it enough, but I like to vary. I like to bounce between my gels, but this is forever gonna be one of my faves, so I'm gonna make it my number 1. Okay, and for gel number 2, you guys have seen this gel so many times on this channel already, on my Instagram, everywhere. The Wetline Extreme Gel. Guys, another one. I love this. So I like to alternate between the Wetline Extreme Gel and also the Ecostyler Gel. I like to bounce back and forth. Those are the 2 that I can honestly say that I bounce back and forth from, but another one, an oldie but a goodie. I wish I would have discovered this a lot sooner. So this whole container, guys, that's another thing, is the price range on these 2 products, and they work phenomenal. This has 35.27 ounces. Guess how much this costs? Guess. $2.99. $2.99. Yep, $2. $3. Let's just say $3. Again, amazing. The definition that I get from this product, the hold, it's incomparable, guys. I have no words. You guys have seen me use this, and I've noticed that a lot of people have a lot to say about this and the Ecostyler Gel. I don't know what it is that people do when they style. It might be different. Maybe it might just be that they don't mix well with the products that they're using. I don't get the flakes that everyone keeps talking about. They keep asking me, does your hair flake up when you use this product? No. My hair will start to flake if I'm like sweating and I throw it in a bun and I haven't had it dirty for a few days. But as far as like, as I use it, no, my hair does not flake up and it works really well with my hair. And I test out the products before I put it in my hair. I do a little hand test to see if they mix well together. If you guys want to know how to do that, I will post a video on that. But yeah, so I typically don't have an issue with these two. A lot of people have had a lot to say, but again, these are my two faves right now. And I'm going to show you guys what my third favorite is. All right, so my third favorite gel is the TreLuxe High Definition Gel. I love this gel as well. The smell, the way it makes my hair feel. This is more on the lightweight side. It has a lot of hold. It has super hold, but for me, compared to the first two, this has a lighter hold. It does give me definition for days and it lasts very long in my hair, which I love. And yeah, honestly, if my hair starts to feel weird and dry, I just add a little water and she's good to go. So another gel that I love. This has 8 ounces and I will look up the price for you guys. I don't recall that it's crazy expensive. I do love this product and you could find it at your local Whole Foods. But yeah, this is actually a super clean gel. Love everything about it. It actually has a very jelly consistency. So I'll show you guys if you guys haven't seen it. You guys can see it's kind of jelly. Let me see if it's like, so you guys can see it's not like super thick. Is it? Oh, actually, you can't really tell. Oh, oh no. Oh no. Only me. Okay, so it didn't fall. We were able to save the gel. I am so annoying. I didn't have to do all that. I just can't with myself. All right guys, so my fourth favorite gel, I wish I had 5 to share, but here's my fourth and last. It's the Cara Care Gelessence Moisturizing Gel with Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Guys, don't sleep on Cara Care. For those who have not tried this line, a lot of their products, I love the way they work on my hair, but this gel in particular, everything. So this gel is actually another one very similar to the TreLuxe one. This one definitely has a little bit more hold than the TreLuxe one, but again, smells amazing, very lightweight, but still has a lot of holes. I actually had one of these sent to me earlier this year and I went ahead and repurchased this product because I do love the way this feels, the definition, the hold, the way it just makes my hair feel so soft. And no, that's not what I have in my hair right now, but yes, I love this gel and I will continue to repurchase this. This product also adds a lot of shine to your hair. I mean, it also is infused with Jamaican Black Castor Oil, so it's super moisturizing. This collection actually has a variety of gels, minus the moisturizing gel. I don't know what the other ones are. I haven't tried them, but I'm thinking I should probably pick some up so we can review those as well, because why not? All right guys, so those are my 4 favorite gels at the moment that I cannot live without. I will continue to keep making these, of course, because I like to switch up my gels. So I definitely want to start doing more gel hauls when I go out and when I order online, because I want to try different options as well. Just like I said, I want to try more of the Gelessence ones too from Cara Care, so I could see how they work in my hair. I don't know if it's just that one that works really well or the other ones are going to work just as well. Stay tuned for that because I will go ahead and pick those up for you guys very soon. I hope you guys liked my first Friday favorites video. I'm really excited to start this segment and I'm hoping that you guys like it as well. So if you guys have any favorites that you guys are curious about, go ahead and comment them down below so I could start making those videos for you or start looking for what those favorites are. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!